All right, guys, Ben here at Pik Rite, wanting to show off another unit that just rolled out the door. Here we got a new CV chassis, 21.5 GVW, mounted up with an 1,100 gallon steel tank. There's a split tank on this unit, 800 waste, 300 fresh water. It's got a hydraulically driven NVE 304 pump on it. On the driver's side, we've got a workstation here with 2-inch hose, 50-foot coil here to service. It's got a 2-inch bucket fill coming down off the bottom. For the fresh water pump on this, we have the Pump Tech X pump on it. It's a nice little setup, giving you a little bit more pressure. Coming around the back of the unit here, we do have a 2-unit toilet rack on it. Folds up and down. Able to haul 2 toilets if you want, fold it up if you're not, want to use it. It does have a 2x2 hitch receiver on the back, so you can pull some small trailers with the unit. Coming around the passenger side here, aluminum hose trays, strobe light safety beacon up top in the rear for sitting along the side of the road. It's got a 4-inch discharge coming out this side. It's got vertical box, horizontal box with the Pump Tech inside of it. The vertical box does have shelves inside, keep all your supplies situated. And these trucks are 4x4, so full-wheel drive, diesel package. Nice little units. We have 2 of these available. You can see the other one there sitting off to the left. They both are completed and done and ready to go, and 2 twin toilet trucks. If you like what you see, or if we can help you with anything, feel free to give us a call. Have a great day.